Hi, I'm Audra and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. It is day 8 of our Sallie Tomato & Co. unboxing, and we have more inspiration coming your way. Day 8. These items will come in handy to use for day 9 or for whatever you'd like. Buckle up and reach for the stars. The Sallie Tomato 1.5-inch side release buckle is great for a wide variety of projects, from the Fifth Avenue sling bag to a handmade dog collar. The uses are endless. And that $10 coupon, that's a few bags worth of hardware. We have a few quick tips about our Sallie Tomato side release buckle. When installing the buckle, take a moment to check the logo placement. Test it out before final assembly to make sure the logo is facing the right way. This will keep it from ending up upside down. Also, remember that the buckle only connects one way, so be mindful when attaching your webbing. This will help you avoid any twists in the strap when your bag is finished. Today's item may be used for an upcoming day, so make sure you keep it handy. Don't forget to share your creativity with us using the hashtag SallieTomato and SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming Sallie Tomato & Co. box videos or our great educational tutorials. We can't wait to see what you make, and we hope it is out of this world.